to my channel. So today I am going to show you an innovative product that honestly blew my mind. Remember, on some of my previous videos, I've shown you how I remove my blackhead up close, and I was using a microscope to do it. It was very hard because I had to put a tool on one hand and then the microscope on the other hand, and have to like follow the tool all along, and it was really hard to focus on the tool with a microscope because it has a mirroring effect, so you don't know where you are. So it was very hard for me to film that blackhead removal using the microscope. Well, some guys from LEVETOP thought about this genius product. It's this blackhead vacuum that already has a built-in camera. So if I remove the suction here, you'll see that this round part is actually a camera. So this camera actually magnifies your skin 20 times. So while you're putting it on your face, you can really see where your blackheads are and where you should be targeting this vacuum on your face. So it will really be easy for you to target those blackheads. And if you're curious how this thing works, so it's super easy. So the first step that you're going to do is to download the app, and the app name is LEVETOP P1, and it's available on iOS and Google Play. And to connect that app to this device, you just need to adjust your phone's Wi-Fi. You just have to click on LEVETOP-BH, and that's it. You can easily see your skin being magnified 20 times on your phone, and you can target all those pesky blackheads. This tool has 3 settings. It has soft, normal, and strong. So if you have more of a sensitive skin, just put it under the soft mode. It also has 3 attachments, but my favorite of all is this oval tip, because I can really go to the side of my nose and the side of my cheeks. So let me show you how I use it on my face. My trick to better use this tool is to steam my face for 5 to 6 minutes, focusing the steam on the center of my face. This would really open up your pores and soften up those blackheads. Then I start with a soft vacuum. That is the level 1. What's great about this app, it actually notifies you if you're staying too long in one place, and it always tells you to not stay more than 3 seconds in one area, and you have to really take this seriously. I know that when you're removing your blackhead and you're seeing it really oozing out, you want to stay there until it oozes out, but that can easily bruise your skin. If you're staying in one place, if you're placing the suction in one place, it can easily bruise your skin. So what you need to do is gently pass on that area, move to the next area, move. Don't stay in one place. Don't worry if you see that the blackhead is already oozing out and all you need is a few more vacuum and you know that it's gonna be gone. Don't worry about that. On your second pass or your third pass on that area, it would easily be vacuumed in. So just be patient. Just make sure that you're not putting this suction in only one area, because this tool has a very good suction. You don't want to stay in one area for too long because it can cause bruising. So when the app tells you to not stay in that area for too long, do it. Just move on to the other area. You can see that on my nose, oh my god, can you see it's oozing out and all the oils and blackheads are getting out of my face. Look at that. I have removed so much blackheads, especially on the side of my cheeks, which is very hard to remove. That area is so hard to remove. I usually am good with removing my blackheads on my nose, but on my cheeks it was very hard, and this tool just made it so easy to remove it because you can actually see where the blackheads are, so you know how to target them. And after using this, I just clean this device with Q-tip and alcohol. It's actually very easy to clean it because it is just glass. There's nothing intricate and it's flat, so it's very easy to clean it. And then I use my high frequency wand and then tone my face and then moisturize, and that's it. I think that this tool is such a keeper. I would for sure be addicted to using this tool because it's just so much fun to use as well, because you can really see where the vacuum is going and how the blackheads are being removed, and it's really easy to use. And the charging life is really long, so when you log on to your app, it will actually show you what percentage of your battery is. Say you're at 60% or you're at 50%, it will show on your app. And if you guys are curious where to get this device, I will be linking the link down below. It will be available in Indiegogo. And if you're one of the early birds, you'll be receiving 30% off. I hope that you guys enjoyed this review as I've enjoyed making this video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Thank you so much guys again for watching. Keep safe and I'll see you on my next video.